Oh man, Bitcoin back at 53,400. I'm back here in the Emirates lounge about to travel to Dubai, but Bitcoin here looking very, very strong. Just like I shared with you, it was in a falling wedge pattern. Now it broke out from that pattern and now has created that all important higher high. I'm going to break down exactly what this means because this is very, very bullish. As you can see guys, Bitcoin was in this falling wedge pattern. We were getting worried because it kept failing on the higher highs, but we got the break, got the retest, and it pushed onwards, created that higher high. This is really, really bullish here on the 4-hourly chart. If I show you this on the daily chart, you can really start to understand how bullish this is. It means Bitcoin didn't even want to come into its EMA ribbon. I mean, look, it came close, but it didn't want to even retest. Huge bullish momentum here on Bitcoin, and this is a really, really positive sign. But it's also important to know that this is a Bitcoin-led move. Bitcoin is moving faster than altcoins right now, and that is because of Bitcoin dominance. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, I shared this in our Telegram community, jarscrypto.com/TG, that Bitcoin dominance on the 4-hourly candles got a huge rejection and a bounce from support, which was showing that Bitcoin was showing relative strength versus altcoins, and that followed through with this powerful move on Bitcoin. Now again, if you want to see what trades I'm taking, how I'm trading this market, how I'm taking awesome spot trades, right? Long only, I don't take leverage, I don't take margin, I share all of that at jarscrypto.com/TG. Like our community are taking some insane trades, and you guys could be too. And this is why it's really, really hard to wait for major pullbacks on Bitcoin. You just got to take the opportunities while you can. When it's in this kind of a mood, Bitcoin is very, very difficult to catch. You've just got to take the opportunities you have. If you see a pullback into the 4-hourly EMA ribbon, you can start nibbling. If you see pullbacks close to the daily EMA ribbon, you can start nibbling. It's just in such a positive, bullish mood. And this is what it does. As you get closer to halving, as you get closer to the excitement in a bull run, Bitcoin doesn't follow the normal, the normal trends. It doesn't necessarily have to pull back hugely 10%. Sometimes it could just move. And that is why I'm allocating this market, and I wouldn't want to not be otherwise, right? I would not want to be sitting on the sidelines when Bitcoin is in this kind of a mood. So guys, I'm going to take a look at my iPad. I'm going to make sure I look for some altcoin trades to see which altcoins are forming some awesome setups. If I find any, I will be sharing them in the Telegram community. Also going to go check out this lounge, probably have a quick shower or something, and have a bite to eat before the flight. So I've got a long 7-8 hour flight to Dubai. And then when I'm there, I'm going to be trading. That's the beauty of trading, is it's a lifestyle thing, right? I get to travel, I get to trade, and you guys can do the same. You can learn how to trade, right? You can. Why can't you? You don't have to take leverage. You don't have to take margin. You can just find altcoins, look at the TA patterns, exactly the same ones I share, and you too could be trading, right? You could be sat in a hotel trading, and I'll show you how I do that. I'll show you over the next couple of days while I'm traveling how I can do it. I don't have to be sat in my studio in London doing that. I could be in Dubai, I could be in Singapore, I could be in New York, and I could be trading. It's the beauty of trading. You guys can do that too. If you want to learn, I'll teach you. jarscrypto.com/TG, plus all these daily videos. Every single day I'll post a video on the market, regardless of what's happening. If you want to see them, make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification on. A lot of interesting videos coming. Also guys, if any of you are in Dubai and you fancy doing a bit of a crypto meetup, let me know. Reach out in the Telegram community and let's arrange a bit of a meetup with some of you guys who are local in Dubai. It'd be interesting to meet a bunch of you traders, a bunch of you guys in the crypto community. Always like to meet the community members. I want to meet the people that are watching these videos on a day-to-day basis. So drop it in the comments below and we can arrange something. And guys, just wanted to share this with you as well before I go. Like, if you look at this CoinDesk article, they're saying Bitcoin could target 58,000 here after the breakout. Let me see what targets do I think. Let's take a look here at the Bitcoin chart. That's the Bitcoin dominance chart. Let's go over to Bitcoin. We can start to see where resistance comes in. You guys know I shared this very big red block. This big red block is an important resistance level, and that starts from 57,000 all the way up to 61. Very, very important level. If we want to return back to all-time highs here on Bitcoin, this is going to be the major struggle. So do not be surprised to see a quick move up towards that kind of 57 region, followed by some struggles, maybe even a bigger pullback after that. But really, really bullish setup here on Bitcoin. Excitement around the ETF, excitement heading into the halving, and what a great time to be trading and making money in the charts. Beautiful, beautiful time to be doing that. The other thing I wanted to share with you guys is this is not just the same money flowing around between Bitcoin and then altcoins and then meme coins back again. This is new money coming into crypto. If you look at the total crypto market cap, you can see this is climbing week over week. If you look at this week here, it climbed 10%, 169 billion. The next week, it climbed another 9%, 157 billion. Last week, it climbed 25 billion. And this week is already up 50 billion with another 6 days to go. This is more money coming into the ecosystem, now sitting just shy of 2 trillion. trillion, just shy of 2 trillion, which is very, very important. Remember, the all-time high sat around that 3 trillion mark. We did that without a spot ETF, without institutional money coming in, without Wisdom Trees, Van Eck, without Fidelity, without BlackRock. This happened without it in the previous cycle. What do we think this could happen when institutions really start to lock in and load, right? If you're not following me on Twitter, make sure you follow me on Twitter as well, X or whatever you want to call it, because on there I do share tweets and I've shared who are the biggest ETF holders and what that means for crypto, because you can see this could really easily get to 5 trillion and create a higher high this cycle, and that could be huge for the crypto space. It's not the same money just flowing around left and right. Also, guys, please do not sleep on the PCE inflation figures this week. Very, very, very important inflation figures. The PCE inflation figures are the ones that Jerome Powell uses and the Fed uses. So that's going to be really, really important. Pay attention to that. That's going to give us a clue of when are we going to see the rate cuts. Remember, the markets want to see the rate cuts. If we can have the excitement of the rate cuts, plus the excitement from all the new money coming into crypto, plus the halving, this could be explosive for crypto. That could be the perfect recipe for us to pump higher and higher and higher and have a really powerful 2024. Remember, at the end of last year, I said 2024 is going to be the year. Do not procrastinate, do not delay. Get yourself locked and loaded, and you can see it's happening. 2024 is proving to be the year we said it is, and we're only a couple of years in. Take action, make it count. There you have it, guys. A nice day in the charts for Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumping over 3%, makes the mood feel good, makes the portfolio look good, and sets us up for some exciting altcoin trades. I love taking altcoin trades. Again, I'll share which ones I'm taking in our Telegram community. If you appreciate these updates, don't forget to smash up the likes. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, comment, support the community, and I'll see you in the next one.